if I start HyperDX or I start ClickStack, it's just one Docker command, so I can start it like this. And if I go back to my table, so it's just one command. And then that's pretty much it. So that's as simple as it is to get started. If you want to go and play yourself and have a look at what this looks like, if you go to play-clickstack.com, you connect to demo server, you should be able to have a play with this data set. So this is a public data set, and you can go back, I think, a day, and you can see this data. You can see here there's about 500 million rows here, and you can have a play and query this data. So that's what the product looks like. As I said, it's all open source. You can download it. UI is MIT license, which is very permissive, and the database itself is Apache 2, and obviously OpenTelemetry is Apache 2 as well. So that's it. If you've got any questions, happy to answer.